Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in and granting Colab Drive access so files persist. This lets you open notebooks you already own. Once done, create a new notebook or upload an existing. IPN from Drive and name it clearly. Next, choose Runtime, change runtime type, and pick Python and GPU or TPU when heavy compute is needed. This reduces runtime and leverages managed hardware. Make sure to mount Drive early, so data reads and writes are seamless throughout your session. You should mount Drive immediately with Drive. Mount /content/Drive so your data path is stable. This prevents accidental local-only files. Then install dependencies using pip install package == version to avoid future breakage. Use apt only for system libraries. Once packages are installed, organize folders with %cd and list files with ls, and keep Runtime File Browser open to drag files in. If using large datasets, stream from Drive or cloud storage so memory stays under control and restarts remain fast. You execute cells sequentially, and if state gets messy, use Runtime Restart and run all to recreate a clean environment. This ensures imports and variables align. Make sure to save notebooks to Drive and rely on revision history for rollbacks. Download a local copy before major changes. If something breaks, reconnect the runtime, remount Drive, and rerun the initial setup cells. This resolves 90% of issues. Finally, monitor memory and quota warnings so your work doesn't abruptly stop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.